Good morning. Let's talk about making the bed. It seems small, but it makes a big difference. A made bed makes a room look cleaner. It can even make you feel happier. It's a great way for kids to start the day. It teaches them about responsibility. Even little ones can learn. With your help, they will feel proud. They made their bed all by themselves. They did it. Making the bed shouldn't be a chore. Let's make it fun. Imagine starting the day with a burst of energy and joy. We can play bed-making music, turn up the volume, and let the rhythm guide your child's movements. Put on a song your child loves. Whether it's a pop hit or a fun nursery rhyme, the right tune can transform the task. Can they finish making the bed before the song ends? This adds a thrilling race against time, making the chore exciting. That's one way to make it a game. The laughter and joy will make the task feel less like work and more like play. Another idea is to have a smoothness contest. Who can make the bed the neatest? This encourages attention to detail and a bit of friendly competition. Who can make the smoothest bed? You or your child? This not only makes the chore fun, but also teaches them the value of doing a job well. You can even give out silly prizes. Rewards can be a great motivator and add an extra layer of fun. A sticker, a high five, or a funny dance. These small rewards can make a big difference in how your child perceives chores. Get creative and have fun. Turn every chore into an opportunity for bonding and laughter. The more enjoyable you make it, the more likely your child will want to participate. Ready to begin? First, clear the bed. Put away toys or clothes. Now let's stretch out the bottom sheet. Pull it tight, like you're pulling a pizza crust. Next, we tackle the top sheet. Make sure the top edge is at the top of the bed. Now tuck the sheet under the mattress at the bottom. Then tuck the sides, like you're tucking a baby into a cradle. Nice and snug. Let's talk about those corners. Hospital corners make the bed look extra neat. But don't worry if they're tricky at first. Start by tucking the bottom of the sheet under the mattress. Then lift the side of the sheet to make a triangle shape. Tuck the triangle under the mattress. Then pull down the rest of the sheet. Smooth out any bumps. Practice makes perfect. Section 5. Pillow Talk. Adding the finishing touches with a flourish. The sheets are smooth. Now for the pillows. This is where your creativity can really shine. Pillows are not just for comfort. They add a touch of elegance and personality to your bed. Stand them up against the headboard. Start with the largest pillows at the back, creating a solid foundation. Then layer smaller pillows in front. This creates depth and visual interest. Do you have a blanket? Spread it out evenly. A blanket can add warmth and texture to your bed. Choose one that complements your sheets and pillows. Make sure the top edge is lined up with the pillows. This alignment gives a neat and tidy appearance. It's the small details that make a big difference. Now, tuck the bottom of the blanket under the mattress. This creates a clean, hotel-like look. If you prefer a more relaxed style, you can skip this step or let it hang loose. It's up to you. Finally, fluff the pillows. Fluffing them makes them look inviting and comfortable. Give them a good karate chop. This creates a stylish crease in the middle, adding a professional touch. Your bed is ready. Enjoy the comfort and beauty of your perfectly made bed. Remember, a well-made bed can set the tone for your entire day. It's a small task with a big impact. Section 6. Conquering the Crumple Mountain. Overcoming common challenges. Sometimes, making the bed can feel frustrating, especially for little hands. Be patient. It's okay if it's not perfect. Focus on making it fun. Celebrate small victories. If your child gets distracted, gently guide them back. Use encouraging words like, "Wow, you're doing a great job," or "Look at how smooth that side is." Section 7. Practice makes perfect. Encouraging consistency with patience. Making the bed every day helps it become a habit, just like brushing your teeth. Start with small steps. Maybe just have them pull up the covers at first. Then, add in tucking the sides. You can use a sticker chart as motivation. Each day they make their bed, they get a sticker. Once they fill the chart, they get a special reward. Section 8. Beyond the bedroom. Life skills learned from a made bed. Making the bed isn't just about a tidy room. It teaches valuable life skills, like responsibility, self-reliance, and attention to detail. These skills will help them in other areas of life, like at school, with homework, or even playing with friends. When they learn to take care of their belongings, they learn to take pride in themselves. Section 9. A sense of accomplishment. Boosting confidence. One fold at a time. Imagine your child's face when they finish making their bed. They feel proud. They did it all by themselves. This sense of accomplishment boosts their confidence. They learn that they are capable. They can do hard things. This feeling of competence will stay with them. It will help them face new challenges with a positive attitude. Section 10. Sweet dreams in a tidy room. The lasting benefits of order and routine. A well-organized space can have a profound impact on a child's well-being and overall development. Making the bed is a small step towards a more organized life. This simple act can instill a sense of responsibility and accomplishment in children. It sets the tone for the day, giving them a sense of control and order right from the start. When their space is tidy, their mind is clearer. A clutter-free environment helps children focus better on their tasks, whether it's homework, reading, or any other activity. It reduces distractions and allows them to concentrate on what truly matters. They can focus better and feel calmer. An orderly room can be a sanctuary for children, a place where they can relax and unwind. It promotes a sense of peace and tranquility, which is essential for their mental and emotional well-being. Plus, a made bed makes going to bed more inviting. The sight of a neatly made bed can be incredibly comforting, making bedtime something to look forward to rather than a chore. Who wouldn't want to snuggle into a neat and cozy bed after a long day? A well-made bed with clean sheets and organized surroundings can make a significant difference in the quality of sleep a child gets. Sweet dreams are made of this. A peaceful and orderly environment not only helps children fall asleep faster, but also ensures they have a restful and rejuvenating sleep. This, in turn, contributes to their overall health and happiness.